please subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with our latest install videos and our latest products. Today we'll be installing a new head unit into a Ford Focus 2011 model. So just want to show you guys what comes in our kit, the box. All the cables that comes for the head unit. You get your trimming tools. You get these brackets adaptable that you may need to fit in our head unit to a car. You get an OBD scan tool, and you also get the Vhedia vehicle handbook. You get your canvas and your harness, your power harness as well. And here obviously you have the head unit itself. It's a pretty sweet looking one, so this will be an exciting install. So using our trusty trimming tools here, what you want to do is try and get it under here, anywhere under here, to pop off the fascia. I'll show you guys here. So you guys want to do right behind it. So just need to use your trusty trimming tool like this. Just gently tug. And then what you want to do, there's a bottom spot here. Just use a little small fathead screwdriver just to take this out here. And now there are two screws. So these two screws there, as you can see. You'll need a corkscrew. I don't have a corkscrew at the moment, but I do have this little drill thing with me. So once the screws are out, you should be able to take it all out and have it sort of hanging out this way. So you see here, there's the one cable. You take that out, and then above your ankle. Now what you need to do is take off these screws here to be able to pull that out. There's also here, and you need to take the screen out over here. Obviously you'll still need to use a corkscrew. Like so. There you go. Be careful, it can be hot. So yeah, we're just going to unscrew these to here, these four. Once you unscrew all the screws, you'll have this button here that you just need to take out. And then that will detach the screen from the car. Now what I'm going to do is take our cable, so this is our 20-pin power plug. I just want to go ahead and match each plug that will correspond to. Try this one first. You hear a click. Once you've connected up the 20 power to it, just put it into the head unit and check if the power's on. So I'll put it here for her. Turn the car to see if the power's on. And it does, which is good. So a second, sure if the screen works. Yep, yes it does. So we'll just turn it up from there. I'll just quickly put this, turn this around for you guys. So as you can see here, we've got the Wi-Fi antenna, we've got the GPS antenna, and all these different, that's for the radio antenna. So first we'll do the antenna. Just put it in there. Okay. This is for your subwoofer, your front, and your speakers. This is for your camera. There you go. This is a USB retention cable. There you go. That's all the cables joined up. So this is the GPS antenna. So for this you need to try and find a surface where it just can stay flat. Take out this and this will go here and so you'll be able to stick it. And obviously you also have your Wi-Fi antenna. It's the same idea. You try and stick it on a flat surface where it could reach. So on your head unit, so this will be your GPS one. You just sort of screw it on there. So it's tight. Here is the Wi-Fi one, so it's the same idea. So guys, I'm going to show you how to take off the aircon vents here to put them into the overhead unit, plus the steering wheel there. So looks like that, as you can see. So what you need to do, so you see this here, what you need to do is just push that out, and then you'll have these little clips here. You just need to push them out this way. This here will trigger all of the forward systems to it, because that's like the brain, so like your steering and control and that. So to make sure that it works, so we'll go through the stick. So once all the cables are plugged in, all you have to do is just push it back into place on how the other one was. Make sure it's all in. There's 2 screws at the bottom, just make sure you screw those at the bottom here. All you have to do is just turn it on to see if it's working. All good. It is perfect. We'll just do that short. So you check out the radio. So it's working, which is good. So obviously here you have the buttons. So click home, GPS, and you got your navigation system. So you go to speed play. There you go. So I'm just going to show you guys on how to set the control button. So here we have our Wilkie study. You go into that. What you want to do is basically, so here have a button here, so let's say for volume up. Press that button, should come up. There you go, your CarPlay. If you just go to home, that's all set.